explaining how to install the OpenVPN. First of all, you need to open a web browser, and after that, just search for OpenVPN download as soon as you hit enter. There is just a first link. You need to click on the community downloads, which is official website from the OpenVPN. And as soon as you click the OpenVPN link over here, so here's gonna open the new tab for that. I mean, like there are the different versions for that. So here the source Tarball, gzip, and SourceZip, and Windows 32-bit MSI installer, Windows 64 MSI installer, Windows ARM 64 MSI installer. It depends upon the CPU architecture and the system architecture which country you are using right now. Someone can use Windows 32 and anyone can be using like Windows 64 as well. For me personally, right now I'm using Windows 64, and just to check like which operating system are you using, you can just have a look on the system properties going over there. Now, currently I'm using the Windows 64, so I'm just going to click this one, and it will ask me to wait to save it. I'll save it over here. And as soon as you click, now the second step will be just clicking on this open link over here. It's now this is just a pop-up window open, which is gonna basically ask you to have the setup of the OpenVPN installed. And there's a customize option. You can customize that, and you can install like whatever do you want. And after that, just click on the install now, and it will ask you for the permissions for that. And as soon as you press yes for that, then it's gonna say that the VPN installation has been totally completed, and now it's the time to access the VPN, right? But as soon as you see that here is a logo called as OpenVPN GUI. So basically, OpenVPN has been installed in my PC partially. The reason I'm saying partially is because I have to import the files yet, because just a kind of demo on how to install that one. Just right click on this one, open GUI, and here are the different files which are over here. So first of all, we need to click on the import because the file was not already in. I mean, like I have installed it for the second time, but for the very first time installer, you need to install the files. So the files which I'm talking about can be found by going to VPN book over here, and as soon as just need to go to Google over here, just go back, search for VPN book, and my internet is working slow. But anyways, just click on the VPN book over here. I've also mentioned the same link in my blog post. So if you have any issues, you can just simply go back to my blog post and have a detailed look, and link will be over there. After that, here are the different tabs which are visible over here. So we have the VPN book, which wherever you can find the news, accounts, web proxy, how to set up, like is just manual and features and privacy. We will be just clicking on the free VPN over here, and there are the different type of protocols. So we have the PPTP VPN, which is a $0 a month because it's a free one, and free open VPN, which is only for $0 a month. So depending upon the usage right now, for me personally, I'm going with the free open VPN. And you might be wondering that what are these different things. So these are just nothing but like these are just kind of import files which will be helping us to establish the VPN connection. So first of all, we do have the Canada server, which is simply means that CA 2022 Open Certificate Bundle. That one is a this is a France Open VPN Certificate Bundle and France Open VPN Certificate Bundle again. Open VPN, just in my case, it's going to ask you where do you want to save the files. I'd say save over here. And it's clearly visible that I'm having the extraction file over here. As soon as you click on show, and if you just go to this file over here, so it's gonna where do you want to extract that? Now, if you already having the, that's pretty good. But if you want to have that WinRAR, which is it needs to do the extracting, then you can just simply refer to our website and you can download the appropriate software. Maybe some of you guys are also using 7-zip. That's also a good option. But at least make sure that you have a kind of unzipping software. And after that, you just need to click on the extract to button. Let me click on control V and click to button. and go to this PC, go to desktop for desktop. So I will be using that vpn.com open book. Just press OK for that. And as soon as you go to the desktop, it's gonna basically show you the this is the Open VPN book which we have made right now, and these are the files which come with that. So you might be wondering like there are many files. The reason behind there are many files is like that's using basically the different ports. So for example, this one is using the TCP 80 port, which is for HTTP. That one is for port number 443, UDP 53, which is for DNS, and UDP 25,000. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do is just gonna go to this link over here, right click on that, import over here, and after that just go to import. After that, you just need to select the documents and go to desktop over here. And as soon as you go to desktop, there will be this file and select the appropriate port which you want to select over here. And after that, it will appear as that import has been successful. It's totally done. And now it's time to connect to the VPN. Okay. So if you just have a right click on the one, just using this one, that's US TCP 81. And here's a connect button over here, right? And as soon as we click on the connect button, it's basically gonna ask us for the few credentials over here, right? So what we're gonna do is most of the people will be shocked that like from where can we get the credentials over here? To getting the credentials, we just go back to the Open VPN book over here, and it's clearly visible that here are the credentials. So the VPN book is a username, and the password will be MZW sorry MZW6X8E. And as soon as we press OK, it's gonna show us a pop-up that the connection has been established successfully. Which so this has been turned green, and if we just go to settings and let me let me show you the status if I can. Just go to over here and just go to show status. It's clearly visible that we are connected to the system over here. It says connection successful. That's pretty much it for my VPN demo. Thank you for listening to me and have a nice day for that.